Tonight, we will be hopping from one museum to another. It's called Gabii sa Kabilin. Our first stop is the Casa Museum. Would you believe that this house is already 163 years old? Come on, let's check out what's inside. Join me! Bahay na Bato or Bahay na Tisa is a 19th century residence of first Cebuano Bishop Juan Garces Gerardo. The house, now known as the Casa Gerardo Museum, is a Cebuano lifestyle museum which has been recognized as a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Institute in 1991. It features 19th and 20th century Cebuano lifestyle and architecture. The 13-step staircase is one of the house's best preserved features. The Suitor's Corner showcases the conservative Filipino values on courtship. It is customarily located in a well-lit corner with a chaperone across it. With a bishop in the family, the Gerardos have a large collection of religious statues that are regularly used during religious processions. The master's bedroom was originally occupied by Isidro and his wife Telesfora. It was also where Bishop Gerardo died. The ladies' bedroom was shared by 3 members. It is where they do sewing and stitching. The guest room, on the other hand, features the 4-post bed with a canopy and an old aparador. The 4-post bed is a common feature of affluence during that era. The house has also its own library and a collection of books in Spanish. Other features of the house include its living room, its dining room, and azotea. For our next stop, Army will treat you to another travel back in time.
Our next stop is the Ancestral House here in Old Parian District. This house museum also features the 18th and the 19th century lifestyle of Cebu. Come, let's go in! The Ancestral House is one of the oldest residential houses in the Philippines. It is now being managed by Val San Diego of the San Diego Dance Company. Evident inside the house is the lifestyle of some Cebuano families in the 18th and 19th century, and the family's devotion to the patron saint of Cebu, Señor Santo Niño. The San Diego House Museum will most probably remind you of your great-grandparents' place. Now let's go to our next stop. Let's see what Chai Sandoval has discovered for us.
The Museum of Cebu is an ecclesiastical museum that features the relics from various parishes of the Archdiocese of Cebu. The structure, or the gallery, was dedicated to the former Archbishop of Cebu, Ricardo Cardinal Vidal. Did you know that the structure was once a convent and a school? Sounds interesting. Let's get in!
Located at Mabini Corner, Ordoneta Street, Señor Santo Niño, Cebu City, the museum serves as a repository of religious and secular treasures and antiquities. The museum welcomes you with wooden benches and artifacts behind an excavated portion that shows various layers of flooring a long time ago. When you get inside Monsignor Virgilio Ariap Memorial Chapel, you will find there relics from the parish of Carmen, Cebu, as well as other relics belonging to the different parishes of the province. The second floor welcomes you with a Cuna de Cristianismo, or the ecclesiastical treasures of the Archdiocese of Cebu. One can find pictures of former Archbishop of Cebu, Ricardo Cardinal Vidal, when he was young. as well as a gallery of the Archbishop's activities in the past. Next up is the Cebu City Hall with Leia Ibanez.
This is the Cebu City Hall, the seat of the Cebu City government. This used to be a beach fronting the historic Magellan's Cross. Cebu became a city on October 20, 1934 by virtue of Commonwealth Act number 58.
Tartanillas are the most famous transportation mode in the olden times. I'm here to show the so-called king of the road before the jeepneys dominated the streets here in Cebu. A tartanilla is a horse-drawn carriage which is made up of light materials, but it's not to be taken lightly, as it can hold as much as 4 to 10 passengers. Different municipalities have different decorations for these tartanillas, which speaks of the Cebuano culture. To sum it all up, tartanilla is a piece of our colorful history that is not forgotten throughout the ages. We Cebuanos preserve its beauty and acknowledge its contribution to the environment.
Who says visiting museums are boring? Well, tonight's visit...
Would you believe I'm on board a tartanillas in the city? Tartanillas are the mode of transportation
Like to thank
on
the
the olden
Sunstar team
times.
for joining the celebration. Come on, guys!
Okay na